all for the giant fish. So did they solve the problem?
No.
What was wrong with the net?
Too small.
Again, what was wrong with the net?
Too small.
It was too small, right? So that's not going to help, right? That's not going to help solve the problem. Next. Minetti, the strongest and fastest swimmer. Who is Minetti? The strongest and fastest swimmer. He dove in to wrestle the giant fish. But it was too fast for Minetti. So did Minetti, did he solve the problem? No, right? He was the fastest what? Swimmer and the strongest one. So he dove into what? To wrestle the giant fish. But it was too fast for Minetti. Who was too fast? The fish, right? So the giant fish faster than Minetti? Yes, right? So the problem wasn't solved yet. The woman, everyone show me woman. The woman came up with their own plan to capture the giant fish by cutting their hair and weaving it into a net. You think that's going to help? Yes. Everyone say the woman. What do? They what? They cut their hair, right? And use it as a what? As a net. With the net made from hair and the help of the sirena singing, everyone say sirena singing, they successfully captured the giant fish. Yes, so now was the problem solved?
Yes.
Did they stop the giant fish from eating up Guam?
Yes.
Yes. So what? So the story, they had different ways or different solutions, right? To stop the fish. But did any of them work? Just one, right? Just one solution worked. And that was from what? The woman's hair that was made into a net. Did you like the story?
Yes.
Yes. So don't forget, this is what the Chamoru legend is about. This is what the Chamoru believe. That way, they stopped the giant fish from doing what? From eating the island of Guam, right? Okay? Did you like the story?
Yes.
Okay, everyone say Malik.
Malik.
So let's see. Let's go back to the setting. Okay, everyone say setting.
Setting.
Many years ago in the ancient village of Pago. Everyone say Pago.
Pago.
Is that where it happened? Yes, right? Everyone say main characters. And characters can be what? People or animals. Malik. Okay, so everyone say Manette. Mother Lahi Gamsa. Mother Hagi Inina. The Serenas. Chamoru warriors. Fishermen. Farmers and women. Okay, and what was the problem? The problem was what? The fish. What did they have to do? Stop and capture the giant fish. Or it's going to do what? It's going to eat the island of Guam. Okay? So, what was the solution? The women of Guam, what did they do? They cut their hair and weaved it into a net. They worked with the Serenas to help bring Manette to shore by what? By singing. When Manette realized that he swam into a trap, the woman dropped the net, made up their hair, and captured Manette. Everyone say the end.
The end.
Did you like the story?
Yes.
Okay, so let's stand up and we're going to do some exercises, okay?